Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be exploring how to identify different types of whales. Let's dive right in. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are known for their long pectoral fins and their acrobatic displays, such as breaching and tail slapping. Humpback whales are often referred to as singing whales because of their complex vocalizations. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It has a long, slender body with a bluish-gray coloration and a prominent dorsal fin. They are often referred to as gentle giants because of their peaceful nature. Killer whale. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are highly intelligent and have a distinctive black and white coloration. They have a robust body with a tall dorsal fin. They are known for their intelligence and social behavior. Sperm whale. Sperm whales have a large, block-shaped head and a massive body. They are known for their ability to dive to great depths in search of food. Beluga whale. Beluga whales have a pure white or pale gray coloration. They have a round, bulbous forehead and are relatively small compared to other whale species. They have a stout body with no dorsal fin. Narwhal. Known for their long, spiral tusks, narwhals are often referred to as the unicorn of the sea. Narwhals are medium-sized whales. They have mottled grayish-brown or bluish-gray skin, blending with their icy surroundings. Minke whale. Minke whales are relatively small baleen whales and typically have a dark gray or blackish coloration on their back, while their bellies are lighter. Whether you are a marine enthusiast or simply interested in learning more about these amazing creatures, there is always something new to discover. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the common types of whales. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.